Okay, well, hey guys, this is Stray Sniper 76 here with another video. Today I will be doing an unboxing video for some magnets that I got. So over here we have the magnets, and I'm gonna take them out of the plastic bag first. So you can see here that these magnets are neodynium magnets, and they're pretty strong. Yeah. Over here, so this one over here is the block shaped magnet. I can't really bring it too close to the camera because, well, according to this right here, it says that like, oh hold on, this thing is mirrored. Okay, never mind. I don't think y'all can see it, but yeah, according to this here, like you can't, if you put it too close to any electronic device, the electronic device will die. So anyway, this is a disc. These are disc magnets over here, also neodynium. So today I'll just be unboxing these, and we'll try to separate some of these magnets. Okay, so well, let's get started. I'm gonna open the block first. So these are neodynium magnets, and they're pretty thin, yeah. But they're also pretty strong. I'll put this on the side for now. Now I'll take out the disc magnets. These are a bit thicker, but they are still literally as strong as these block magnets. Now I'm just gonna take these boys out of their plastic bags, and okay, so whoa, okay, that was sudden. Okay, we'll try to take these out. Okay, I'm just gonna put this guy over here so it doesn't interfere with the block magnet. That is pretty strong, as you can see. So this is the ring magnet. These are the block magnets. Alright, so I'm taking apart the block magnets first. So I have no idea how to go about doing this. So I think I'll just slip it, yeah, like slide it out like sideways maybe. So well, wish me luck. Oh no, I've taken it out and it just got back into place. Oh, this is pretty hard. Okay. Hey guys, so yeah, technical difficulties. We've just lost 3 of these the block magnets. They are very brittle and fragile, so be extremely careful when handling them, yeah, or else it will just snap and end up like this. So now anyway, I'm going to separate these magnets, and I think I found out how to do it. So you're supposed to like use a nail, yeah, I was like push this part out, then just push it out, get over at end, hold it very gently, maybe push out a bit more. Yeah, hold very gently, and then just pull, and you got 1 strip of neodymium magnet. I'm gonna put these over onto a styrofoam board, yeah, so I can make sure that it does not do anything. This is styrofoam board. By the way, I have already separated the disc magnets. There's 5 of them up top and 5 of them below, right here. So okay, okay. Yeah, there it is. Yeah. I'm gonna put this one right here. Alright. Here. I'm gonna take I'm gonna split off the second one that was close. No snap. Alright, I'll put this one right here. Alright. Next one, put it over here. Push, pull. put it over here. So push it, pull it. Okay, 2 more. Almost there. Just push and pull, and there you go. That is the neodymium block magnet separated. Alright guys, so now we need to store the magnets. So we need to use a penknife. Be very careful when using this because it will or may hurt you. So I'm going to store this inside this here. Hold on, wrong container. This one. So I need to cut out an outline of styrofoam in the same as this, using this as a guideline here to store the magnets which are over there. Yeah, so before I cut it, yeah, you need to outline it with a marker first. I'm going to use a Sharpie for this. I hit myself. Okay, so let's just outline this. Now do note, yeah, that afterwards we will have to cut it, trim it a bit so it can actually fit inside this container. Alright, that's the marking done. Now take the pen knife and cut it. Be very careful when doing this. And I'll just continue to cut this. Okay, so a pen knife might not be the most ideal thing to use when cutting styrofoam, but I mean, like, we have it, so we might as well just use it. Alright, it's not thick enough. Come on. Okay, I think I can flip it out now. Alright, it is out. Hold on, Jesus. There we go. There is the styrofoam. Oh, it is not the neatest. My hand is not the cleanest either. Okay, so anyway, I have styrofoam out, yeah. We need to grab the magnet right now. I'm going to bring them over here. So these are the magnets right here. I'm gonna have to just take them out and measure the actual thing. Yeah, so I'll just, yeah, so I'm just gonna I'm gonna take out 5 by 5. Okay, this is a bit hard, isn't it? Okay, so I've trimmed this styrofoam here, so to fit the actual box. Yeah, so as you can see, yeah, it's styrofoam fits in the box. So like you need to like really trim it a bit first after you cut it out. So like, yeah. Anyway, so I'm gonna take like each one of these magnets. Okay, so yeah, now the magnets are the magnets are not separated, yeah. So I'm gonna keep them well, you need to put like one above the styrofoam and one below the styrofoam, like so, yeah. So like it doesn't really like clump together, and it becomes hard to take out. So yeah, but you have to be very careful while you're doing it, because like, well, if you go even a bit wrong, yeah. If you go even a bit wrong, this happens. So yeah, we've lost those all of the magnets are. So anyway, just finish up. Yeah. Alright, so that's it done. Yeah. Now just put it inside here and just close it, and it is packed. Alright, let's set it aside. Now for the block magnet, yeah. So I've already cut it, yeah, as you can see, and it fits perfectly. So okay, for the block magnets, the way to like or pack them, yeah, it's pretty similar. It's pretty similar to the other like to the other disc magnet, yeah. So over here, yeah, as usual, two on one on either side. Do that the same for the block magnet. It's okay if the magnets like stick together side by side, yeah, that's perfectly fine. Just be very careful. Alright, so okay. Next, whoa. And the last one. There we go. Now just put these in, close it, and you're good. Alright, so thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye!